手のひら一つ、いや1センチでもいい。もっと高くジャンプして素晴らしいプレーがしたい。アタックでもブロックでも僕のポジションは高さが求められる。少しでも高く少しでも長く飛ぶことでパフォーマンスが上がるんだ。自分に合ったシューズを履くことでイメージした以上のジャンプを連発できる。その瞬間は気持ちが高まってプレーすることが楽しいと感じる。より高く、それが僕のプレースタイル。
The Crazy Flight is our premier franchise with volleyball. It's really for that player who's looking for quick energy return. The boost technology, it's great for shock absorption and energy return. So it's not just going to absorb, but it's going to propel you back out of motion. The boost is great for really any position on the court. The outsole has great grip, and I think that's very important to volleyball players, is that traction on the court. If you're playing club, that means that you're practicing more, you're playing more often, you need that extra cushioning, you need that extra support, and Crazy Flight is the best for that. Crazy Flight comes in a variety of colors. We are always going to have the whites and the blacks, but then seasonally, we do offer different colors, whether it's team or some more fashion pops.